morning, everyone. Before to start, I introduce myself first. I am Juliami Bandibas. Our topic today is about negative effect in social media.
First, negative impact of social media can cause online interaction is reducing face-to-face socializing. Then, it is increasing the use of cell phone. And also, cell phone emit dangerous radiations which is harmful for our brain.
And your personal informations can become public through social media. And another negative effect on social media, including by mental health issues like anxiety, depression, and low stamina.
There are 5 negative effects of social media on students.
First, cyberbullying. Cyberbullying is one of the major concerns worldwide that happens on social media a lot to manipulate, humiliate, and cause harm to another person online. It has become the reason students are getting mentally tortured and emotionally unwell. Hence, it is imperative for the parent to teach their child not to bully anyone anyway. Second, academic distraction. Excessive involvement in social media diverts students from their academics. They spend their long hours on social media, which causes a lack of time management in their studies, and they don't even focus on their studies. Students get to know more on social media platforms, but it is also a hang distractions for their academics. Third, excessive addiction. Involvement in social media can make students addicted. Addiction to social media can be very dangerous and harmful for young minds. Parents must be attentive towards their kids. They shouldn't let their children become addicted. Fourth, lacking self-confidence means social media has affected students' lives a lot in many ways. Nowadays, students are actively engaged in social media and see many influencers who attract them. They start to compare their lives to those of social media influencer, which forms a lack of self-confidence. 5. Health issues. Many students are not fully aware of the fact that social media affects physical health a lot. Instead of playing outside, students are so much into social media that they mostly waste their time playing online games, which is not good for their mental health as well as physical health. So I said, guys, it's different. Social media affect people differently, but both adults and students can experience stress, distractions through social media, misinformations, and emotional problems when it is used too much. And also, we can already see how much social media can affect as a student. I hope we can realize that what we did was wrong and still be able to read social media because not everything on social media is true. The video end here and I hope it give us many new insight.